friends, we'll learn about to be forms of present tense. We have learned about present tense in last slide. Now past tense. To be forms. Anyone knows which are they? They are was or were, or you can say were. एकवचन, बहुवचन, प्रथम पुरुष, बीजो पुरुष, ત્રીજો પુરુષ. I was પ્રથમ પુરુષ એકવચન. We were પ્રથમ પુરુષ બહુવચન. બીજો પુરુષ you were બહુવચન you were. ત્રીજો પુરુષ he was, she was, it was. અને ત્રીજો પુરુષ બહુવચન આવશે they were. I was હું હતો હતી એનું ગુજરાતી. We were અમે હતા. You were તું હતો હતી. બહુવચન તમે હતા. He was તે હતો. She was તેણી હતી. It was તે હતું. અને they were માં તેઓ હતા. These are the past tense to be forms. You can use while making sentences or talking to anybody that you want. Thank you so much.